There was a very brilliant boy who was always curious about science and mathematics. Always scored 100% in science. Got selected for IIT Madras and scored extremely well. Went for MBA in America and shocked everyone with outstanding performance. Got a high-paying job in America. Married to beautiful Tamil girl and settled there. Bought a luxury house and a car. Had a child and success was everywhere. Man was the apple of the eye for everyone. People admired him a lot and was the hero for them. Everything was going fine. Suddenly, all three found dead. Man committed suicide. First he shot his child, wife, and at last himself. What went wrong? The California Institute of Clinical Psychology studied his case and found what went wrong. The researchers met the boy's friend and the family and found that he lost the job due to the America's crisis and he had to sit for a job for a long time. After even reducing his previous salary amount, he didn't get any job. His house installment broke. He and his family lost the home. They survived few months with less money. He and his wife together decided to commit suicide. The case concluded that the man was programmed for success, but he was not trained for handling the failures. Let's come to the actual question. What are the habits of highly successful people? First of all, I want to tell you that if you have achieved everything, there is a chance to lose everything. Nobody knows when the next economic crisis will hit the world. The best success habit is to get trained for the failures. I request everyone, please do not program your child to be successful, but teach them how to handle the failures. Teach them about how money works instead of teaching them to work for money. Help them in finding their passion because these degrees will not help them in the next economic crisis. Failure is a part and parcel of life. Still, there is more to be proved, so keep watching. He failed the primary college 2 times, got rejected from Harvard 10 times. Once there was a selection in KFC, 23 were selected excluding him out of 24. Never selected in army, done the job of English teacher in $10. He was such a big failure that the parents of his friend denied them to stay in his environment. He told that he is going to do something unique, something called as internet. Everyone laughed at him and now he is the second richest man of Asia. Now consider, you will lose heart by failure or will treat as an opportunity to leave behind your fiberness. Thomas Alva Edison was removed from the school telling that he doesn't match the quality of school. He desired the most unusual dream of that time, replacing exorbitant fire as light. He failed thousands times, invested his whole money. People always understood him as mad who always wasted money. But his mad is cheaper and more durable. Reporters asked him what separates you and all of us. He said, attitude of not giving up. If you fail, that doesn't mean it is end. There is more to come from it, to find it. Work twice is needed than previous. Many times failure gives depression. I don't take it right. Depressions come, but we have the ability and the attitude of not giving is required. The one mantra to overcome failure is keep going. Lot of obstacles will come, but for temporary period. Now you decide. Suicide is the solution of keep going is the best way because failure will come, but life will never. If you really enjoyed the video, please give a like, subscribe it and press the bell icon to watch such videos. For me, the failure is nothing but the first attempt in learning. Write in comment what failures mean to you. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, subscribe it.